Welcome to this overview of Group 5's Capstone Design Project for CE 448W. This project is the design of the Eric J. Barron Innovation Hub in downtown State College. It was our task to design the building's structural elements, including its columns, beams, lateral force resistance system, as well as its connections and footings.
A wall design was conducted according to industry standards and codes. ASCE 722 and the AISC Steel Construction Manual were used extensively for this project.
The engineering design process was used to create the structure. We first received the architectural drawings and determined the purpose of the project. We then researched similar structural systems and explored our options. Loads were determined using ASCE 7-22 preliminary member sizing. We then created a SAP 2000 model, and members were iteratively modified to meet the code requirements. We then designed our element connections using the loads taken from the SAP 2000 model. And then our structural drawings were finally developed.
We tried to preserve as much of the original architectural plan as possible, and only some minor modifications were made. This was done to accommodate a simpler structural plan than in the received drawings. These are the columns that were shifted from their initial locations to align neatly in linear rows. This decision created a simpler layout and evenly spaced windows.
A geothermal heating and cooling system is included in our design and is estimated to achieve $53,000 in energy savings annually.
Dead load, live load, wind loads, snow loads, and seismic loads calculated using ASCE 7-22 were all considered in the design.
These loads were implemented in SAP 2000. The stress ratio and deflections experienced by the structure could then be examined, and thus the model aided in the refinement of the member sizes. Bolted and welded connections were designed using the forces obtained from the analysis software.
Once all element sizes were finalized, drawings were produced and design specifications were made for all structural components. Thank you for viewing this presentation.